Welcome to iINTELLIGENCEi. Dear friends, today let us see how to insert header and footer in Microsoft Word document. This is the sample data. Right. So consists of more than 2 pages, 3 pages. Now how to insert header and footer. Right. That means you can able to include a page number in the footer or header or topic in the header part, right? The heading, right? So let us go. In order to insert header and footer in Microsoft, go to Insert, click Header and Footer. Now this is the header part top, and this you can include at the bottom. Now header part, just giving NT you can give. So here I am giving the company name, right? And here I am giving the page number. So page number separately you can give. Okay. So header and footer. In this, here the company name, and here I can give about product details. Right. So now click on this. Right. Now you will have the header here, and also at the bottom header and footer. And when you go and print the document, okay, go and print the document, you could be able to see the header here at the top left side which you have given, and at the middle Apple product details, right? So here every pages you will be having. This is the first page, then this is the second page, then this is the third page. Okay, I'm cancelling it. Now let us also include page numbers. How to insert page number, right? So in order to insert page number, click page number. See, there are various options, either at the top left or middle or right side, bottom left, bottom middle, bottom right. I am including at the bottom left, bottom right. So now we will add page numbers here. Okay, so automatically it will be included. Check it here. So let us go to File, go to Print. Let us view the document. See here, page number 1, page number 2, page number 3. Okay. So this is a process how to insert header and footer in Microsoft Word. Also how to include page numbers in Microsoft Word. Thank you friends, hope you understood. Right. Thank you friends. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching.